Hello friends, this is Christian Lu of Christian Lu Vlogs. And before anything else, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button para po ma-notify kayo kung may bago akong videos. So now I'm going to show you how I made this cake tray with fresh flowers. Actually, you can get the cake out. So I'll show you the tray, just the tray first. So this is the tray, and it's fresh flowers, made of fresh flowers. So you're going to put the cake here on this side. So guys, I'm going to show you how I made this one. So now I'm going to make a cake tray with flowers. So what we need is the foam, of course the tray, the cake, and the flowers. So first we have to stick the foam in the tray like this. Just put a scotch tape so that the glue will stick on the tray. So the flowers that we're going to use are hydrangeas, wax flowers, the pink ones, one stem of lilies, pink, and roses, shades of pink also, and fuchsia, and pink baby roses. So it's that easy. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe, Christian Lou Vlogs, and please don't forget to click the bell, so that you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. So remember, we're always worthy of God's love, and thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog.